Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. How are you? I hope all of you are doing fine. Welcome to English Year 4 Lesson 2 with me, Teacher Adila Husna. Today's lesson is based on Module 1 of Get Smart Plus 4 book. For those who have your book, you can refer to page 8 and 9. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about daily routines and adverbs of frequency. Before we start, I would like to introduce you to some of the vocabularies. The first word is ice skate. I-C-E-S-K-A-T-E. Ice skate. The second word is ice skating rink. I-C-E-S-K-A-T-I-N-G-R-I-N-K. Ice skating rink. Ice skating rink is the place where people ice skate. The third word is play chess. P-L-A-Y-C-H-E-S-S. Play chess. Next, we have football. F-O-O-T-B-A-L-L. Football. And last but not least, play badminton. P-L-A-Y-B-A-D-M-I-N-T-O-N. Play badminton. Next, I want you to pause the video and find the meaning of the words in your dictionary. You have to write the meaning of the words in your exercise book. You can follow the example on the left. Now, let us move to the next activity, reading. We are going to read about Megan's and Pablo's daily routine, and after that, we are going to answer few questions. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. She goes to school at 7:45. After school, she does her homework. Megan sometimes watches TV after dinner. She always goes to bed at 8 o'clock at night. So now, you get a glimpse of what Megan's daily routine are. Let us answer few questions. For every question, you can answer by using yes, she does or no, she doesn't. The first question is, does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? Let us take a look at the text again. In the text, it says that she goes to school at 7:45. So, the answer for this question is, no, she doesn't. Does Megan go to school at 20 to 8? No, she doesn't. She goes to school at 7:45. Now, let us take a look at the second question. Does Megan usually ice skate in the morning? So what do you think is the answer? Well, Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. So for the questions, does Megan usually ice skate in the morning? The answer is yes, she does. Megan usually goes to the ice skating rink at 6:30 in the morning. Good. Now, let us read about Pablo's daily routine. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and play chess. He usually goes home at 6 o'clock in the evening. After he does his homework, Pablo has dinner. He sometimes plays chess on his computer. Pablo usually goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Now, let us answer few questions. You can answer by using yes, he does or no, he doesn't. The first question is, does Pablo goes to school at 8:15? The answer is yes, he does. Pablo goes to school at 8:15. The second question is, does Pablo always go home after school? What do you think is the answer for this question? Good. The answer is no, he doesn't. After school, Pablo doesn't go home. He always goes to the chess club and play chess. Next, I want you to pause the video and complete the exercise 2 from your student's book, page 9. You have to do this exercise in your exercise book. You can refer to the example on your left. Let us move to the next activity, adverbs of frequency. You may refer to your student's book, page 9. Adverbs of frequency are used to describe how often an action happens. If you notice from the previous text, there are 4 adverbs of frequency. The first one is always. For example, I always wake up at 6 o'clock. The second one is usually. For example, I usually play tennis on weekend. The next one is sometimes. I sometimes play tennis on weekend. And last but not least is never. I never play volleyball. So remember, there are 4 adverbs of frequency. They are always, usually, sometimes, and never. Next, I want you to copy these simple notes in your exercise book. Let us recap today's lesson. We had learned about vocabulary, ice skate, ice skating rink, play chess, football, and play badminton. We also learned about adverbs of frequency. There are 4 adverbs of frequency: always, usually, sometimes, and never. That's all for today's class. Thank you for watching and participating in today's lesson. I wish you all the best and I'll see you in the next time. Assalamualaikum.